Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Roll up the windows.
Hi.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to drive down Tom's favorite road, Bougainvillea Close. You all know I love Bougainvillea. And it's in the city of Prospect, or the community, or the district, or whatever you call it. But you saw the sign there. I showed it to you all real quick on the camera, Bougainvillea Close. So here we go, people, on Bougainvillea Close. And Madge was just talking about this nice neighborhood that we're coming through. And look at this big house up here. Look at their big back veranda. Woo-wee!
Yeah.
That's pretty. So what were you saying about this neighborhood, sweetie?
I don't remember.
You were saying you'd live down here.
Not exactly.
No,
Down
not
here.
right down in here.
No,
but
yeah, in this community.
in Prospect. Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's nice here.
Yeah.
Not necessarily this exact place.
Spot.
No.
Not this spot exactly.
Right.
Mhm.
Let me just pull up and then I'll back up. Guess I get some nice views up in here that everybody wants to see. Yeah, no, I knew what you meant.
Mhm.
Not this exact road that we're on right now.
Right. Not
But-
exactly Bougainvillea Close, but it could be hibiscus, it could be
Yeah.
daffodil, because it's pure flowers.
Mhm. Yep.
Orchard, there's an art.
Yeah.
And that's the Bougainvillea there, and it's what, rose pink or red or what is
I don't
it?
know what you'd call that color, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's,
You know I love it.
yeah.
You know I love it. Yes, indeed. You know I love it. Turn the fan up just a little bit. Sun's getting a little bit warmer, you know.
Mhm.
Well, that might be just that box in the back that's rattling.
That road doesn't go anywhere.
No, but I want to go up
Oh,
so I
okay.
get a good look at these houses.
Okay. This is a lot here.
So that would be for sale if a person knew who was selling it.
But
Look at their water. The water cap is off and it's not even squirting water.
you know,
Know what, sweetie? You started to say
that's a lot here too. That's a
something.
lot.
Oh,
you know.
yes.
There, and that's a lot there. But you know,
there's 3 lots in this cul-de-sac
yeah.
available.
Some lot could be already.
They're already
Somebody-
bought, and
Yeah.
somebody just hasn't made a
Yeah.
start yet.
But there is empty lot that they make too.
Oh yeah, I'm sure there's some empty lots. I don't know who to contact up in here.
No, but it's not hard if we want to.
No,
find
if
out.
we could just stop and
I
ask
can-
somebody
Yeah, we
practically.
can find out. Yeah.
Our viewers would probably wouldn't mind knowing,
Mhm.
you know,
Yeah.
because this is a nice neighborhood. That's a nice house.
Yeah.
The lawn needs a whacker job done on it, but it's nice, you know.
Maybe no one isn't there, and sometimes
Well-
the owners are like in
They're traveling, and it's the
traveling.
holidays.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
they might have family in foreign, and they go
Mhm.
to foreign for the holidays or whatever. Although it seems like more times people from foreign come here for the holidays.
Mhm. Yeah.
Well, maybe that's not really true. Maybe it evens out both ways.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe it just evens out.
Sometimes people go, and some
Yeah,
they'll
it's
come.
probably not one way or the
maybe
other.
50-50.
Yeah, it might. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
This maybe is about 2 lots.
Yeah. Yeah, I would say so, sweetie.
2 lots.
But you know, that's where if they're both for sale
Mhm.
by a developer, a person could buy both of them and have
You know, it could
have
be-
your own nice wide lot. You know,
It could be 3 lots too.
well, they could
Yeah,
be.
look. It could
Because
be
some of these aren't real wide, but they're deep. They're nice deep
Yeah.
lots. Oh, that one's not deep. No, I take
no.
it is. They've
You see,
just,
they're just-
the style,
yeah,
the
because-
style they went with.
because the back is higher, so they're gonna kind of.
They're gonna wait and do their second layer.
Mhm.
Oh, they just built a wall there. They'll do a second floor up
Yeah.
there. See,
that
they've
there-
already
see-
got steel
see
up there.
this, See this one do
Hmm
their place.
And see the wood on the one end, like maybe that's where their stairway's at.
Mhm.
You know, so.
Yeah. What is the name of this one?
This one is
Begonia.
Begonia Boulevard.
Yeah, which one is the Begonia? No,
I
don't
think
remember.
this one here, maybe. I don't know.
No, the flowers. It's
Oh,
a
the
flower.
begonias? I don't know.
I don't
I don't
remember
know.
what is Begonia.
No, this is Starfish Drive that we're going down here.
So Begonia. So
Must be that one up there.
but it says
That was
this-
Begonia. The one we were on is Begonia.
Begonia.
The one we were on was Begonia, sweetie.
Begonia, nice one.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that the houses are very close, you know.
Now these don't seem quite so close right here. Maybe it's just they're smaller homes. I don't know.
Because if you make them smaller.
That's true. That's true. These are smaller. Yeah.
This look like a government house.
These, well, yeah, and all those could be.
Or like you get help from the government too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there was just a handful of them. Well, there's another one here
Yeah,
too.
yeah. You see how they look the same?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then, but this one they add on more to
Mm-hmm.
it.
Yeah.
And kind of.
And they kind of do a flat roof, but they slope it a lot so they don't have to worry about,
water.
so the water runs off.
Yeah. Burke's Peace and Rest. So it's a funeral. It's
Must
a
be
funeral. Oh.
Burke's.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you're the name. So
Well, see, they're
maybe
just
the
living in the one
office.
part. You know, the one part looks like the government part, and then they've added on.
Mhm.
They're adding on. Or
Yeah.
not the government, I shouldn't say it. And this here looks like that's a new government. Look at that one.
Wait, you have prospect housing scheme. So, it's the housing scheme. So it's the housing
no,
scheme.
but if you look closely at that,
Yeah. See, this one is the same.
but this one right there, somebody's rebuilding it. It's being
Yeah.
redone.
So I see.
It's an old time house. That's an old
It's
time.
It's a housing scheme over
I
here.
know,
So
but that one we
this
just
one
passed.
too.
Yes, but I'm saying the one we just passed
Yeah.
is old time. It's old
So-
time, and they're just rebuilding it. It's being rebuilt to make it nice,
So
being refurbished. You know.
all of these houses could be the housing scheme house. See that one there?
Uh huh.
And people change.
Uh huh.
Yeah, people change. Yeah. You remember the guy who made our gate for us? And he said he live at Prospect Housing Scheme. So yeah. So it's housing scheme of you know, I was just saying it's government, but it's housing scheme.
It's not government. No,
No.
it's not like their giveaway.
no,
Like,
no,
it's not like one
no.
hole
It's a
that's just
housing
built in to
scheme.
give
It's
away.
a housing scheme.
No, it's a housing scheme.
See
but
this
now
one?
look, this one's one, and then look how
They changed it.
they've changed it. They've added on to a bedroom,
Mhm.
made it a master bedroom, put a door to it.
This one too. They are
Yes.
all housing scheme.
Yes,
here. This is all-
and the people are remodeling them.
Yeah. When we are out by the road, just before you
Mhm.
turn,
And this one here too. Look at this one. This one's the same way.
I can get a glimpse of the house, but I've never been over here.
Oh, when you're out on the road, that's what you were
yes.
saying.
Just before you go over the Black B on this side, you can see the houses when you're on the main road.
Mm-hmm.
You can get a glimpse of some of the houses. But I didn't know how they were made. Oh, they made them with concrete top.
Well, yeah. And these people, they put a garage,
Mm-hmm.
a veranda, and they built a room on the side
Mhm.
that's going to go up an extra story.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, we were talking about how some of these houses are narrow. The narrow part is the old part. And then they've gone up with them.
No, I don't.
Not all of them.
These in this area here, but way over that side is not housing scheme.
Oh, okay.
Like all over this space is the housing scheme.
Yeah. But like some of this landscaping's really nice, you know, with the palms, like this one we're gonna come up to here. It's a very nice home. Well, there's a big one. That white one. My goodness. This one here.
I think they're all housing scheme. You know?
Mm-hmm.
And you know, you,
People have just-
you can overbuild it and
Side overheating.
Okay.
sea breeze close.
Going too slow, so let me go up and do something here about this. Well, this is a problem with that inside camera getting hot. You know? Didn't mean to do that. Where I'm driving too slow on a hot day, that's the problem here. It just got too warm. I could feel the warmth up there. Yeah.
You're driving extra slow.
Huh?
You're driving extra slow or sleep that
Yeah, I'm driving slow, so
extra slow.
yeah. Well, we're going to drive a little bit faster because I got a camera that wants to heat up inside the vehicle here. I don't know, maybe I'm going to have to get a bigger fan for it.
I don't know how these cameras are so delicate.
Well, the ones outside are fine. And then the two, this has the extra cage around it because it's the one the audio is hooked up to.
This house is very long.
So I was thinking about coming up with a better way to do the audio that I don't have to use the cage with it. So I might end up doing that. I better just do that, be done with it, you know? So, well, that's too bad about the heat. We'll see if it goes away here in a minute or if it just shuts down. It hasn't shut down yet, so we can still go. Maybe we were going too pokey anyway. You know?
So no, we're not.
Well, we'll go a little faster. It'll move a little more air.
Look at those windows are there open.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I like those.
Like,
I'm going to turn the fan up. I think, you know, that's one thing I can do too. I was talking about changing my microphone system.
oh, this lot looks so big.
Mm-hmm.
This lot here.
Because it's a cul-de-sac lot. It gets wider at the back. But look how narrow it is at the front.
Yeah.
See, look at the fence. See, look how narrow it is at the front. See?
Mm-hmm.
And the fence goes back at an angle. It gets real wide at the back.
Yeah.
Anyway, what I was going to say is, you know, I was talking about changing the microphone system in here. That'll allow me to run the air conditioning at a higher rate. And then maybe I do have to get a bigger fan for my camera. Anyway, people, my outdoor cameras are just fine. It's just my indoor camera wants to warm up a little bit. It didn't shut off, though, so it's still going. Oh, look how they did the Christmas trees.
Yeah, they grew their own tree.
That's nice. I have to slow down for that, even if I am overheating.
This one, big.
Yeah, now they did like concrete for the roof, but at an angle. They put pitched roof with concrete. I don't know that I like that. Everybody's got their own style, you know. you know where we're coming out?
Of course, I see.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Mhm.
I didn't realize. I didn't realize how we're coming out of the original.
I saw.
Yeah. I had no idea. Well, it'll be a natural cutoff this way. I don't have to worry about my camera much longer being warm. So. You know, and I was reading one thing that really helps with your camera heat problem is to have your micro SD card that is faster.
It's so nice. Like
But my bit rate's slow enough. I don't think that I'm getting any heat off my SD card. I kind of like the way they did theirs that goes out with kind of the little.
that's what everybody do.
But see how they did theirs with an arch. That's what I mean. I like the way they did it. See how they did it, kind of an arc,
Yeah.
an arc or an arch,
Yeah.
as opposed to the square ones. Most of them do the more squarish ones. I kind of like that style. Okay. Now I see where we are. I didn't know we were. I need to go back and look at my map here and see if there's anything we missed. Because we may want to...
Around here, down here.
Back in there, yes. So what I'm going to do, people, I'm going to pull up to the side here so I don't have anybody blow me. That's the bus stop you were talking about there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this isn't where we came in. We came in the one down there.
Is the one down there? I was
Yeah.
talking, yeah.
Oh, no. No, just saying hi.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm circling like you guys.
You're
You're
circling
going,
like
but
a-
you're going the other way.
Yeah, you come that way.
Yes.
Because of the one that I had was to turn back.
Okay.
You live over here?
No, I live over that side, but I work this side.
Okay. So you live over in the...
Retreat?
in the Blue Mahou.
Oh, the Blue Mahou.
We like that one. We did a video over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
take care.
blessing.
Yeah. Mm.
Let's go ahead and wrap this up because it's kind of a natural place to stop. So, thanks for joining us, viewers and Thanks for joining us, viewers and subscribers. Be sure and subscribe because we're going to try to get on our journey to 10,000. Although, let's first just get 8,000. So, anyway, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. And we hope you're enjoying our videos. Be sure and let us know in the comments what you think or if there's a place you'd like for us to go next. So, big up yourself, bless up yourself, later, and
Amen.
amen.